Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
It's who?
It's Likiz
And you go Fairy.
Yeah,
Fairy and Julie.
this is actually my first time of trying to do a vlog. Good afternoon, ma. So I'm actually doing a vlog, and here we are. I'm with my sister Farida.
Hey guys, it's a girl Fairy.
And this is Zisha, Zuli, Tuti.
Hello, Likiz lovelies. Welcome to another exciting vlog.
This is my first vlog actually.
Yeah, it's going to be exciting.
Yeah, welcome to an exciting vlog.
Exactly.
So where are we
another.
legging to?
We're just going to the mall to pick a few things up, you know. Yup. So see you when we get to the mall. Hey, peace out.
Peace out, people.
Hello.
Hey guys, it's a girl Fairy and a girl.
You're standing by the little screen.
By the screen. Oh, guys.
What's that?
I don't know the snake.
What's that? Is that why you jumped like that? Tuti, say hello.
Hello.
Say hello to my viewers.
Hello, Likiz.
Baby.
Likiz lovelies.
Yeah, baby. So we're going to the tricycle right now.
The big boy machine.
Okay. One in the keke. This is a tricycle. Yeah, they call it rickshaw back there in India. Make it India, it's not India.
But India,
So actually, let's take it on there. We're on our way. So see you guys when we get to the mall. So I'm just about going in now. See me standing by the road.
Wait, you know what happened? You don't even know what happened, literally. This guy was about to high on.
So we are at Best Buy right now. When I get inside, I'll just show you guys. Because right now, I need to put on my face mask, you know. It has this cooling sensation.
Okay, is it big?
It's not big.
Oh, I don't even know.
It's like brass or something like that. I don't know.
I think we'll check the other side.
Please, where can we get hair remover? What's that? Why not? No, this is the No, it's not. This is cotton fancy liner. That's it. So
Okay, let's just ask them.
Even the footstep I'm looking for, this is where I'm supposed to put them. It's something for back.
This food section, they don't have it. It doesn't look like this. They have it.
So guys, I couldn't get hair remover here. I don't know if I should go to another mall and check. I don't know. Well, let's see how it goes. See you guys later when I get home because I'm really exhausted right now. Yeah. So in this vlog you'll be seeing where I unboxed my new tripod. Yeah. So I got a new tripod and I unboxed it for you guys on camera. So you'll be seeing it alongside the shop with me video. So guys, this is the length of a tripod. Just take a look, you guys. Take a look, you guys. Can you imagine I got this tripod for just 6,000 naira? 6,000 naira, you guys. I got it from Jumia. Let me show you how this actually works. I am just going to like let it in now. You see? And you lock it, and that's it. So you kind of pull this up and you got it. So bring this down and you just unscrew the phone holder. I'm unscrewing the phone holder right now. It came with the phone holder. It's a very portable phone holder. I think this is the smallest phone holder. Yeah, and it's okay for me because I'm using my phone to film. I'm not using camera. If you want to put your camera on, here is the screw. You just set your camera here, and this one is to adjust the movement of this. If you don't want it to move, like you want it to be stiff, you see, it's stiff. That's it. So this is my new acquired ring. Oh, I wanted to say ring light, no tripod. So like if you want a tabletop filming, you just do it this way, you know, set it and put it on the table like so, and there you have it, a cute tripod. So guys, here is the haul. I got these yogurts for my nieces and nephews because I'm with them. I got these ones for 100 naira each. I got six pieces of this is what I got. So 6 of this for 600 naira. 600 naira. And I got this Bounty. I love Bounty, you guys. You don't even have an idea. So I got this Bounty for 250 each. I got 3 of the bounty. Yeah, that's for the edible stuffs that I got. So for the a few things I got for myself, I got this hair cream. This coconut oil hair cream is a dark coconut oil hair cream. I got it for 2,300 naira. Here, this smells so good, you guys. You don't even have an idea. And I also got this Vit. I got this Vit for 1,050 naira. It's a hair remover. Yeah, Vit hair remover for 1,050 naira. I got this body spray, Zahor Alay body spray for 850. Yeah, it smells so good, like it smells great. Then I got this sunlight for 400 gram. I got it for 320 naira. And what else? I got a roll-on. Yeah, I got this Nivea dry impact. I got it for 600 naira. So you see, everything I got from the mall is just 6,320. That is my mini haul, you guys. My sisters also got some stuff, but I'm not showing you guys because it's just my stuff I'm showing you guys right now. So see you guys. Hi guys. So this is me ending the vlog officially. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Yep, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to, and share this video with your friends. Tell them to come and subscribe to my channel and become a Likiz lovely. So my lovelies, take care of yourselves. Have a wonderful week. Love yourselves generously and be safe wherever you are. And just be you, okay? Just be you. Love yourself for who you are. And I've been saying and so you guys just take care of yourself, okay? Have a lovely week ahead. Mwah. Bye.